Brajesh Kumar Jashwal is a small-scale agent who supplies steel to auto component manufacturers. Started 3 years back, Jashwal is facing a crisis as he has not been receiving payments due to the slowdown in the auto sector.
पहले क्या था, पहले तो ये था कि चलो डेली का कम से कम नहीं तो 2,000 रुपया 2,500 रुपया कमाई हो जाती थी। और आज के डेट में ये समझ लीजिए कि लेबरों का खर्चा, अपना खर्चा निकल जाए, वही बड़ी बात है। ये कंडीशन चल रही है। प्रॉफिट का तो सोच ही नहीं सकते, किसी तरीके से मैनेजमेंट हो जाए, ये कंडीशन है।
When Jashwal started, he had 5 laborers under him, but now he has just 1. The others had gone back to their villages as Jashwal was unable to pay them salaries.
लेबर वाले जो हैं, जो लेबर काम करते हैं, वो बहुत लोग गांव चले गए, काम पा नहीं रहे हैं। एक एक महीना बैठ के खाना खाए हैं, तो एक खाना खा के इस तरीके से कैसे काम कोई करेगा। लोग गांव चले गए। छोटी छोटी जो कंपनियां हैं, कितना सब लाख हो गई, बंद हो गई। अब वो दूसरी जगह नौकरी तलाश कर रहे हैं। यही सब कहानी चल रही है।
Jashwal is not the only one facing economic crisis. More than 100 steel dealers in Ambattur Industrial Estate are dealing with financial problems. For more than a year, the auto sector and related industries have been struggling to cope with poor demand and a government requirement to shift to BS6 emission norms. The steepest fall in vehicle sales was witnessed in August this year with a drop in more than 23%. This decline in sales due to low demand has affected automobile component manufacturers with inventory piling up. Credit rating agency CRISIL reported that production volume of equipment manufacturers is estimated to register a decline and the revenue will halve in next 2 fiscals.
All of us have excess stock now. We have already stocked for almost 1 or 2 months. So there is no need to produce more. And where we are impacted the most is because of low demand, the raw material prices have fallen. So as and when the OEMs pick these items, they will pick it at the prevailing rate of the raw material. So apart from the inventory cost, carrying cost, we'll be losing money on the product we sell also.
Chennai Automotive is a company that manufactures spare parts for original equipment manufacturing companies. Krishnamurthy started the company in 2012, but in the last 3 months, he has laid off more than 30 employees and reduced working shift timings.
Sunday, last 3 months before we are working Sunday also. We are giving OT, but now Sunday leave, Saturday, Sunday leave, and weekdays, Monday to Friday, we are also reduced the manpower.
Krishnamurthy says that the turnover of his company has reduced by 75%. In addition to the loss incurred, there is a pressure from manufacturers to get zero defects and reduce cost of manufacturing. They've also been asked to pay attention to quality as the industry prepares for a transition to BS6 emission norms.
Cost reduction is a pressure that we live on a daily basis, if not on an hourly basis. So that is something we as engineering companies have learned to overcome and learn to live with. It is something we can't help because these are not products which can be sold to A, Y, X, Y, Z. Okay, a particular product which is developed for a particular model can only suit that particular model. Very few are universal components like your tires that can be fitted into the same model of a vehicle. But most of the other components are specific to that particular model of the vehicle, and it cannot be used for many other vehicles per se. But the shift from BS3 to BS4 was very recent, and people had invested a lot of money in converting from BS3 to BS4. So these manufacturers have not realized that investment yet. So when this BS6 transition has come about, they have been caught a bit unawares because that calls in for additional investment again.
As manufacturers struggle to sell their produce, employees working in these companies fear job loss. More than 5,000 employees in the auto component sector have already lost their jobs and are looking for jobs.
Many workers are calling me to say that I have joined my children in Valamal or in some other private school, matriculation school or CBSE school. I am paying 50,000 rupees per annum. Now I am not able to, I have lost my job. So I am taking my son, daughter to government high school or corporation high school. My wife is threatening me that they will commit suicide. All these things are disturbing my sleep itself. In this area in Chennai alone, more than 50,000 workers have been lost their job, those who are worked in direct and indirect. The management is giving some hope for contract and apprentices that wait for 2-3 months, everything will be recovered, you will be get back to the work. They are in the hope of getting job.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman recently announced a slew of measures for the revival of the auto industry, including measures like increasing depreciation rate and extending of operation period of BS4 vehicles. But unions claim that it is not enough to help workers. Component manufacturers say they expect more from the finance minister.
We are expecting 2 more packages from our finance minister, and the first thing they need to do is to improve the sentiments of the people. The people are holding on to money, expecting the prices of the vehicles to fall down before they buy, or expecting property prices to fall down. So people are not spending money, which is not a good sign for any economy. So to kickstart the spending process, I think the government should take up some small projects, some small infra projects where we can see some construction, we can see some constructive activity going on, and that money will come into the system and that will kickstart the economy again.
Lower GST rates and better availability of finance. These are the 2 major demands of auto component manufacturers as they battle one of the worst slowdown ever.